Okay, so I just got home to a bunch of packages at the door. I don't know. They got my name on them and my address, and I don't know why I got them, except for maybe a really good friend that decided I should have one. So, I don't even know what to say, but hi.
Whoa! What'd you buy?
I didn't buy anything.
Well, why is all this here then?
It was shipped here.
Okay, well, I see it was shipped here, but where did it come from?
It came from UPS.
Okay, so it came from the air?
No, it came from a friend that likes me a lot.
I don't even like you that much.
Let's do the unboxing. I just watched somebody use one of these and fell in love with it. I literally told my wife, I don't care how much she likes it, I'm not getting one. Technically, I didn't get one, but I am super thankful. I'm speechless, honestly, on the generosity of some of the people that I hang out with, who asked to be kept anonymous, which is fine. But to that person, I want to literally thank you from the bottom of my heart. So let's open this thing up. That's pretty cool. Someone's smart. If I was just strong. Oh my God, this thing is done. Oh, look at it. Just look at it. All right, how do I get into this thing?
Is it Shane proof?
Well, if it's idiot proof, it is definitely Shane proof. Oh, you're fired. You are fired. It's a box inside of this box. What do we got here? This must be the stone. I'm so nervous. I'm actually shaking. I'm super excited about it. Oh, easy. Oh. That's one of the stones. Trash is over there. I'm not as strong as I once used to be. Right, what do we got here next? Hey, you have to pick all this mess up.
I don't think so.
I'm too pretty to do it. And I gotta go season this thing, because guess what I got?
What?
I got the need to make pizza. Alright, so we have, it comes with a 3-year warranty. And an essential guide.
I'm sure it's very essential.
Okay. I'm coming at this like a kid on Christmas right now.
I bet you feel like it's Christmas.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's the door.
Yes. Oh. Oh. Right, we might have to assemble something.
I'm assuming definitely some assembly required.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Me neither. We're gonna find out. Oh. Let me pull. Alright, cool. There's stuff in here. Oh, a bunch of stuff in here. I am so flippin' excited. You can put all this in there. You must be able to get a couple pizzas in there, right? At least one. Oh my God! What if you forgot to take the plastic off of this?
Oh, that would not be good.
Quick lighting starting guide. Okay, we'll keep that. That sounds important. Whew. All right, so this is your charcoal tray or wood. Ooh, I'm not sure which way that goes in. We'll have to figure that out.
I am sure it has instructions somewhere.
It's got destructions.
I was trying to be polite.
I would say this way. It matches the shape. Boom. Okay, let's see what's in here.
Mm-hmm.
I really am shaking. I can't believe it. This feels like the door for the back. No comment.
Keep flipping it. Eventually you'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Oh, the stack.
Oh, so if you look in there, that's your damper.
Huh.
So I'm guessing it goes.
And then that one piece that we weren't sure of.
All right, that might not be right. Well, maybe. Oh, it's here. Sorry. Okay, see, now she's locked in.
And then that other piece has got to go on top.
Yes. I've only seen a pizza. The pizza's made one night on this, and it was literally 60, 90 seconds. That's impressive. Ooh, batteries. For the digital thermometer.
Ooh.
Ooh, yeah. Okay, so those go in there, obviously. Okay, so that's in there. I'm not sure why this is opened, because there's nuts and bolts kind of laid in here. It did come with a little screwdriver. Ta-da! Hold on, there's more. Alright, so I'm not sure why that was open. Hopefully I got all the parts and pieces.
Oh, an Allen wrench?
And we're missing the legs, aren't we?
But
Aren't there legs?
I have no idea.
Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, you don't have to assemble the legs. They just flip out. So we found the legs. So that's a leg up on the next move. Let's go. All right, so that took maybe 10 minutes to put together. And we found the legs. They're literally folded under. So we did find the legs. So anyways, everything's good to go. We got the batteries in the thermostat. And we're ready. So the next box I got we got charcoal.
Woo!
All right, let's see what the next box is. I could have cut the tape. I haven't looked at any of this. I have no idea what's in here. I literally just went out and bought charcoal tonight. And apparently, didn't need to.
Ooh, check that out.
Got a nice grill cover to cover up, protector from the elements.
Ooh, cleaning the stone.
It's a oven brush, or you can brush your teeth. Just saying. We have a 14-inch pizza peel, so we can reach in there and spin the pizzas around. Man, I'm super excited about this.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what else we got. So funny part was, I was out in the looking for the last bit of wood that I have for smoking, and I never even looked at the box because I waited. And I have all the wood I need now. Ironically, it comes with instructions.
On wood?
Exactly.
Would you tell me?
I would tell you. Okay, so we have the pizza oven out here. I don't know how much charcoal to put in here, so I'm going a little light right now. Quick lighting starting guide. Okay, we'll keep that. That sounds important. But I'm just gonna light it. We're gonna get it lit, and we're gonna get this going and see if this works or not. You gotta make sure that the stack and the baffle is open, ready to go. So we're gonna do that, and once this gets going, we're gonna put the lid on it. We'll be right back. Okay, so we seasoned this up, got a good burn on it, if you will. We cooked a couple pizzas in it, and they didn't turn out well. So I'm not defeated, but I am super excited to give this another try. I think we're gonna do it Sunday, so if you like my channel, you're liked and subscribed, and let's wait for a pizza cook coming soon. I'm gonna get good at this, and it's gonna be amazing. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.